Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Come see the car for yourself.